Can you see my screen now?
Yeah, yes, I can see now.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, let's start.
Okay, sir. Should I start normally?
Yeah, let's start.
Okay, guys. This is some brief introduction. Brief introduction or some what is no preparation and some doubts what you guys had regarding HL recruitment 2022. Um, like main doubt what people were asking is like what is the difference between MT and DT? MT, which stands for management trainee, and management trainee basically a person who is an engineer who works in manufacturing or production divisions. Um, some production divisions like where production is happening, productions and manufacturing sites. They handle the production schedule, and they mainly manage employees who is working under them. They will manage them and they will allow them to, like, they just manage the things like production things. As a design trainee is like an engineer, design engineers, and they work in design centers. Design centers basically do the um, like design aircraft and its parts, um, what and all parts they are before production or after production also. It might be some changes might be there, that also they will do in design training as a design training. This is the main difference between MT and DT. MTs will mainly work in shop floors. Shop floors, they will also have separate, like you will be with your you can show something like I'm doing this one, like that. In design trainees, you will be sitting in front of a computer and doing all the things in system. Mm, that's all. That is the main difference between MT and DT. And when it comes to preparation for this exam is not tough as GATE and ESC and all. It's like very like basic questions they will ask. Last time what the questions asked is like nearly questions were nearly close to GATE questions because it was lengthy and the time was very short. 2021 paper was very easy. It was like basic questions, top questions. We don't know how this time paper might come. It's best to try prepare for GATE only. If you prepare for GATE, it will be very easy. And the main topics they cover is like normal GATE syllabus they will cover. They will use the same GATE syllabus only. Mainly they will cover on core subjects, main core subjects, and basic things they will cover. They will not go anything deep. Deep they will not go because they want people how they understood things, how they are understood, because this is an aircraft industry. Aircraft industry needs understanding, like how systems work properly. And what you can do is like go brief on core subjects. Who is working for gates, they can just complete all the core subjects what they have read, they reread them, and don't go in deep. I'm just telling, don't go in too deep. Like you can just see them in the top, but don't go in the deep. And previous year question papers are required because only another 1 month is there, so better to go with some previous year question papers. And another question paper questions, like if you have any gate test series available right now, they can use that also. And IGC, from IGC is supporting so much. And some online questions you can search for some random online questions in internet, you will also get from there also. And aptitude and English and reasoning also important because it carries 20 marks. 20 is right, sir. uh, then aptitude is also important.
It is
These are the, like,
50 mark, 20 plus 40, 60, very
yes,
important part.
yes,
English
sir, yes,
and
sir.
reasoning 40, and this general awareness is 20.
Yes, sir,
So,
yes, sir.
yeah,
That is
please.
very important. That also makes like so much difference with the marks cutoff and all. And
Yes.
these are like basic preparation for exams. Other things like you can start working continuously I will last I will tell about the interview part and all. I will just brief it up. Interview also, they will not ask deep questions. They just want how you understood the subject and how you are answering the questions. So you just need to mm, get proper understanding of the syllabus, not complete syllabus, like top surface level, asking very simple questions they will ask. Mm, um, Structures part also, they used to ask, they ask normally structures and aero. In aero, when it comes to aero structures, aero and performance, they normally ask. And basically in interview they normally ask mainly on your btech project is so important. You just prepare for the btech project and go if you're once you clear the exam. And these are the previous year cutoff what I got from my friends. And aero, it was last time it was 84, and my management training it was 98. These all are for general category. I don't know the cutoff for other categories. It might be like 5 or 10 less. That's all. Like it is not too much difference is not there. And MT Mech is 98 and DT Mech is 100 because DT people prefer morely going to DT because people wants to go for design side rather than management side. And DT Electronics was 98. 98. Why I star marked is because I don't know exact number. They also like people also don't know like what is the exact number, so I just kept it as star. Um, Actually, when we come to last year, it was only 70. 70 was the intake, and previous it was 100. And last year, the cutoff may be very high because only few people were there to take. Only 70 people were there. But this time, the because of 180 they are taking, maybe this time it might be very less also. But it all depends on the paper. Last 2021 paper was very easy, so cutoff was too high. But last year paper was too tough. That's why cutoff for like so like 60 marks differ from total marks. So it's better to prepare well and go instead of seeing cutoffs and all. You just see the like how much max I can give. Just get it. That's all. Like don't see these cutoffs and all. I suggest. I personally suggest. Um, this this is the thing what I wanted to convince regarding this HLMTDT. Anything is there, you guys can ask question. We are ready to reply.
Yeah. So I will also add this point, guys. Don't worry about cutoff. Cutoff is just one thing. You should have a fair idea, but you should prepare as best. Cutoff vary paper to paper, year to year, and based on number of vacancies. Okay, so guys, if vacancies are more, of course, cutoff may be less. They need to select enough number to take interview. Like last year, they, if you take example of Aerostream itself, they just selected 12 people because the posts were only two. This time there are nine posts, so at least around 50 people they will select. So cutoff may go down. So that is about cutoff part. So Manjunath, is it clear?
Sir, another thing I want to tell is like people are asking negative marking. Negative
Yeah,
marking is not there.
yeah,
And
yes.
normally the time is very less, very less. It is 2.5 hours only. So you have to plan accordingly always. Like you just go continuously. Don't stop in between and stop. This question is not coming. I will finish this question and go next. Don't do those things. You just finish the questions as soon as possible. You would just jump to the next. At last, if you are not unable to answer, you can just keep random answers and don't leave any questions also. Like some 1 or 2 marks also matters at the last cutoff range. That's why I'm telling, don't leave those things.
Yes, mathematics is there, Mr. Sam.
Mathematics questions are asked. Yes.
So preparation suggestion I also gave earlier, Sam. They should follow a simple general awareness book, or they can follow some lecture series on YouTube. And for English and reasoning, they should use the GATE kind of book. And core engineering, they can for core engineering they can follow GATE syllabus because they themselves mention in 2021 notification. Is space mechanics? No, Nilish. Space
Yes,
mechanics
sir.
is
No,
not
sir. They will
necessary.
not ask questions normally.
Yeah, because HL do not work in that area. HL mainly work in design and production part, specifically for aircraft, choppers, aeroplanes, these kind
Yes,
of
sir.
stuffs, engine related. Joint debit, I just want to know difficulty level of paper. Is it same as GATE
Yes.
or moderate?
No, sir. No, sir. It will be like
Mr.
it will not be. It will
2022,
not be tougher than Gate. It is very easy than Gate. Very very
yeah,
easy. And
no,
like
not
when you compare
very.
with 2021 paper with Gate, it is damn easy. Very easy it
Yes.
is. 2022 paper was a little tougher because time limit was very less. Because of that one, it became tougher. If time limit was there, it would have been like okay paper for Gate people.
Mr. Manjunath, did you go through previous session? Already mentioned there is no official paper available from HL. There are only feedbacks available regarding paper. They don't disclose paper. Those who are
Okay.
telling now we are going to solve tomorrow question or day after tomorrow, they are all making only drama. False. There is no paper available from HL,
Yes,
Manjunath.
sir. That's true, sir.
But
You are
now,
not true.
Mr. Mo, people are telling tomorrow 10 o'clock we will solve questions from all the stream. I don't know who gave you,
Officially not available, sir. Like if they get it unofficially, I don't know like how
no,
they
no,
will.
unofficially also, still I don't know.
Yes,
There
sir.
is no
That is
paper.
also true. They will not get officially. They will not
Even
get
they are
papers.
giving
Yeah.
ID card, that whole ticket also they are taking back.
Ah, that's true, sir. That's true.
Yeah. So, Loit, it will be on not up to gate, but moderate, and time is less because they
Okay.
ask more number of questions, 160 questions in 150 minute. So, time is key. Any other question? Those who are watching this session, any other question, guys? So now, Manjunath, this is clear now. What is the difference between MT and DT? What is the role of MT? MT need to manage more of production line or manufacturing side, managing the people, managing the project, and DT need to manage. So one more question now. In
Yes, sir.
your office, there is no project manager kind of people in
No, sir.
design
Like
centers.
in design, you will not get. You will not be having any empties. Empties in design. Design centers,
Oh,
there will not be any empties.
oh, is it? Okay, okay.
Yes, sir. They will be
Because
separated. Like
MNCs where I used to work now, they're used to have a project office, they're used to have a technical manager, project manager, same place.
yes, sir.
Like,
Like only design trainees only becomes higher position. Those people
yeah,
only
yeah.
manages things like that.
Prince already mentioned in last session also. Yes, mathematics is there. Gate syllabus means mathematics is there. And already questions also shared in our group. Sample questions like the feedback. Yes. Yes, Manjunath. Yeah. So, guys, quickly, any more questions? Who does analysis of structure in HL? Just out of curiosity, sir. Yeah,
Design centers
Telegram.
only will do. Design centers will only do.
Nilis Design Centers. Group means Telegram. I'll just share the Telegram link in this. Now everything we have shared, Mr. Mohan.
Yes,
This
sir.
year, all the related content I have shared for GA, for English reasoning, and we
Yes, yes.
having lectures for all the branches. For mechanical, you used to
Yes,
upload,
sir.
right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Anyway,
sir. Yes, sir.
yeah. So all solution provide today. Actually, one of your electronics design, DT, very
Yes, sir.
senior electronics design DT called me, and he
Okay.
asked me to support those apprentice people.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
he told we have many apprentice. They are looking for support. So
Yes,
his
sir.
name is Prabhu. So I told, okay, we can support. So I have made some customized course for mechanical, electrical, electronics people also. Like for aerospace, anyway, we have. So I did that
Um,
also, just
yes,
because
sir.
they are interested.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Um, Expected cutoff for electronics, we can't
Uh,
tell. Like it all depends on the paper, actually.
it
I just
depends on
told
the
you.
paper,
Yeah.
but
It's like,
they can expect around 90 marks for
yes,
general.
sir. More than
Any
100.
branch,
Always.
yeah, 90 to 100. Uh,
Yes, sir. But actually, they will count in interview also. They have weightage for final
Marks.
selection. So it's better to get high, how much high as possible. You will be like your seat will be saved in HL.
Okay. Yes, Manjunath, you must apply. There is no harm in applying. There are many PSUs for electrical where you can apply, and you should put efforts.
Yes, sir.
Prince or anyone, Lohit or yeah. So out of 160 marks paper for 100 marks core subjects, is there any cutoff for second round? No, it's together. What is the
It's
second
only one
round
round.
means?
There is
It's a one
no second
exam.
round. One round only. It's only one round. Once you clear the cutoff, they will call for interview. After interview, within 1 month or you will be in HL. HL is the fastest what I have seen recruiting people. Other PSU CGs will take lot of time, very lot of time they will take.
Yeah. So those who are watching this session can thumbs up if the session is going good. What I can ask. Yeah. So any more question? Arrow guys, Mac guys, Sam, any question? So anything you want to add with your kind of close to? Yes, sir. Technical and not. Yeah, Sam weightage. Yeah, together it is Manjunath. Actually, you need to be good in both, so you can score more marks. See, the real differentiator among ranker, Mohan, still I believe, are English
Yes,
reasoning and general awareness. Because
yes, sir.
everybody do well kind of in core. Most
Core,
of
yes, sir, yes.
the people who have written GATE exam, because they
Yes,
are
sir.
relatively good in core.
Yes, sir. But this one aptitude matters a lot sometimes, sir.
Yeah,
But
yeah, 40
HLC is
marks.
not that difficult also, aptitude and all.
Yeah,
It will also be
SSC,
okay.
yeah,
Yes, sir.
SSC level. Yes. So somebody is asking profile, but just In a simple word, it's in design area.
Yes, sir.
Cannot be told more than that, Mr. Manjunath. But HL give lot many training that you can tell, like
Yes, sir.
different
1 year
centers,
training will be there.
IITs. They will send in IITs also. You can
Um,
mention.
they will send you to some good IITs in India. For training for 2.5 or 3 months sometimes. After that one, they will finally recruit after it is 1 year training.
No, it's a Manjuna. It's a logical reasoning. So in logical reasoning, is special aptitude. So it's not numerical aptitude more, but it is more of spatial aptitude and English. Verbal and logical reasoning is more. 40 question Manjunath. English plus reasoning coming together, it is coming for 40 marks. These all are detailed shared now, Manjunath. You didn't go through previous session. Actually, before asking guys, you should all go through, already done work. Okay. Okay, no problem. That's fine. So, any more question, guys? Otherwise, we can wind up this session.
If you guys have any questions, you can just shoot it up.
Quickly, guys, write the questions if any more question. Because things are very clear, guys. It's for 160 marks, 160 marks, 150 minutes, 100 core questions, 40 English and reasoning, 20 general awareness, and syllabus for core. It is as per GATE syllabus. It is mentioned clearly by HL in 2021 recruitment time. Okay, and 2021 paper was easier, quite easier. 2022 paper was closer to gate side, so you should prepare well for gate PYQs for core. Time is very less, so don't spend so much time in YouTube on listening and planning and listening lengthy lectures and all. You can follow the IGC's available lectures, which are in very crisp manner. Okay, and all the subjects lectures are available. You should follow your gate notes for quick learning, and you should try to solve as many simple PYQs or any PSU questions available with you guys. And if you ask how should I plan your day, so I will tell, if you are fully preparing for gate or not having any job, you should prepare every day like 10 to 12 hours. 6 hours you should spend for core, 3 hours for general awareness every day, and 3 hours for English and reasoning. So that should be your timetable in a day. Try to put 10 to 12 hours. If you put that, then pretty sure you will clear more of written exam. And don't worry about anything. It's very fast, right? Exam is next month, ninth only, ninth onwards, so time is very less. Don't put so much of time on thinking and all. If you are interested to work in HL, or want to grab this opportunity, or you are not having any other opportunity, I will simply say start putting efforts from today itself. Again, you ask four people what is the cutoff, how should I prepare. or you ask what was the previous question, then there is no point. Okay, I mean, you will be keep asking only throughout this
Yes,
month.
sir. True, it is. It's true, sir.
Yeah, and I just want to share on a lighter note. The guy who is with us, he is himself DT, but he has not prepared seriously for DT. He just got it because he was doing one task, which is like he was solving gate questions, okay, with me, and he was doing very seriously, sincerely. So those solving test series questions made him DT today. So guys,
Yes,
even he has not prepared for general awareness. So guys, you do whatever you are doing thoroughly, and do with planning, and do with seriousness. So it will work automatically. Yeah. Yes, Mohan, you want to add anything?
nothing, sir. Like that time, because I was with you, I was in this position. That's all, sir. Nothing else.
Yeah, yeah, but in fact, you had gate rank, right? You are
Yes,
planning to do masters. You are
yes, sir.
not serious. Even I was pressing, okay, go and attend mock and also. I
Yes,
know
sir.
many things are in destiny, but since now we are well aware, well planned, and having expertise, we know people in HL. See, today HL seniors are calling us.
Yes, sir.
That
That's true, sir.
means they are also interested to get good students, or those people they know कि they do well.
Yes, sir. That's true.
Okay. So no doubt you have provided links for electrical session as well. So now it's on us to study. Yes, Manjunath, it's very clear. And Manjunath, in fact, we have shared general awareness book also in Telegram group. I have shared English and reasoning book. What is required, that also in Telegram group. Okay. Now we have made some customized course, just if somebody looking for core material, core IGC subject material, okay, for them. Also about mock exams, we are planning, like last time also we have taken two mock exams. This time also we have planned two computer based mock exams, like 160 questions and 150 minutes. Yes. Okay, done. So we can wind up more. I think
Okay.
no, uh, the questions are already answers, and we have summarized also everything. So all the
Yes,
best, guys, and do your best and utilize available resources.
yes,
And when you guys do well in mock exam, when you guys do well in this written exam, definitely we will come up with
good, sir.
interview support after that. Yeah, all the best, guys. Thank you.
All the best, guys.